So today I'm going to show you a very simple homemade hair DIY using just 3 ingredients. We are going to make this hair treatment using fennel seeds, nigella seeds and mustard oil. It's super easy to prepare, so let's get started. Step 1. First I am taking 2 tablespoons of fennel seed and now I am taking 2 tablespoons of nigella seeds, also known as flax seeds. Now step 2. I am mixing both the ingredients together. Now, transfer the mixture into a clean, dry pan. Roast it on medium heat, stirring continuously. Keep roasting until the seeds become very dark and almost charcoal black. Once they reach this stage, turn off the heat. Let the mixture cool down completely. Step 3. Now transfer the cool mixture into a mixer grinder. Now transfer the cooled mixture into a mixer grinder. Grind it really well until you get a fine powder. Once the powder is ready, strain through a clean sieve. This will remove the coarse particle and give us a finer powder. And our homemade hair powder is ready. Storage. Now I am dividing the powder into 2 portions. I am taking 1 portion into a bowl for today's treatment. And I am storing the remaining powder in a clean, dry glass container with an airtight lid. Whenever I want to make this hair treatment again, I can simply take out some of this powder and prepare it fresh. Make sure the container stays completely dry and clean. Step 5. Mustard oil. Now to the powder in the bowl, I am adding mustard oil. Mix everything really well until the powder is completely combined with the oil. You can prepare the mixture at night and leave it covered overnight. Step 6. Application. The next day, apply the mixture gently to your scalp and hair. Massage your scalp softly with your fingertips. it on for about 2 hours. Then wash your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo. What are the benefits? Fennel seeds and Nigella seeds, which are also called black seeds, contains various plant compounds and antioxidants that can support a healthy scalp and hair care routine. Mustard oil can help condition the hair and make it feel softer and more nourished. With regular hair care, this treatment may help you feel smoother, softer, and more manageable. Important: always do a small patch test before using any new homemade treatment and avoid applying if you have an irritation or sensitive scalp. So guys, this was my simple homemade hair DIY using fennel seeds and Nigella seeds. If you tried this recipe, let me know how you liked it in the comment section. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and follow for more easy homemade and beauty hair care DIYs. Thank you so much for watching.